This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at a 2019 32 Dancer. This boat comes with the white hull, navy blue canvas, take a look inside. Step aboard, you see this boat has the full camper canvas set up. Woven carpet. Equipped with the summer kitchen, grill, fridge. Nice teak table. Boat has the ivory color white interior. Joystick. Nice clean helm. 2 Simrad display screens. Does come with the optional TV. Plenty of natural light, gets through with these nice windows. Another fridge, microwave. Very nice spacious head. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call down here at MarineMax New York.